hands under your head, fold left leg. Now right leg straight up 90 and straight down 0. 1, straight up 90, straight down 0. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Left leg. Fold right leg. Now left leg. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the ball, hands at back side straight. Naukaasanam, holding position, 21 count. Both legs straight, join big toes, tighten kneecap. With the ball, Naukaasanam, lips closed. At a time, lift both hands and both legs. Ready. Slowly come to final position. Naukaasanam, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next counter asana, Setubandhasanam. Fold both legs. Separate foot, knee, thigh. Both hands just beside body or catch ankle. Right to right, left to left. Separate foot, knee, thigh. Now lift thigh. Lift thigh. Seat, lower back, mid back, upper back. Come on, lift thigh. Buttock, lower back, mid back, upper back. Try to more lift your mid back and upper back. Expand your chest. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Lift heel. Lift mid foot. Only stand on foot fingers. Now lift left leg. Left leg, make it 90. Come on, stay strong. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on, lift mid back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Total body turn to right side. Sitting position. Now with the 2 dumbbells, standing position. Join foot. Hands full rotation clockwise. Lips closed. Hands full rotation clockwise. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Anti-clock. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With brick support, butterfly. With brick support, butterfly. Brick మీద కూర్చోవాలి. Sit straight, spine straight, head, neck, spine straight. Now thigh, hips, full up and full down, full strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, Parvatasanam. Next, Counterasana, Parvatasanam. Separate legs. Don't lift heel. Full foot on mat, full sole on mat. Legs straight. Tighten both kneecap. Total pull down upper body. Pull down upper body like a dog stretching, like a dog pulling. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, head, neck, upper back and mid back. Total upper body pull down like a dog stretching. Find your stomach. Not mat, not foot, not kneecap, not thigh. Pottan chudali. Don't lift heel. Tighten kneecap. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. Sashankashanam. Next counterasana, Dhanurasanam. Straight down on abdomen. Fold both legs. Fold both legs. Separate foot, knee, thigh. Separate legs. Catch ankle. Catch ankle. Separate foot, knee, thigh. Hands straight. Elbows straight. Pull your legs back. Lift thigh, lift upper body. Pull your legs back. Lift thigh, lift upper body. Balance on your stomach. Lips closed. Come on, lift head. Eyeball facing roof. In the final position, stay there like a statue. No shivering, no jerks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9. Lift more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. Sashankashanam. Sit in Vajrasanam. Kapalabhati Pranayamam. Both hands in Chin Mudra, lips closed, open eyes. Only one breathe in, maximum breathe out 60 count by abdomen strokes and hissing sounds. Abdomen ploppings and hissing sounds or pressure cooker sounds. Ready? Sit straight. Only one. Take a large breathe in. Now forcible. Only breathe out 60 count. Abdomen strokes and hissing sounds. 55. Abdomen ploppings and hissing sounds or pressure cooker sounds. 50. 45. 40. 35. 30. 25. Come on, abdomen strokes. 20. 15, 10, 5, eyes closed, lips closed, maintain normal breathe. Eyes closed, lips closed, maintain normal breathe. With the 2 dumbbells, standing position. Join foot, hands, alternative, straight liftings, lips close. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hands, alternative crossings above shoulder level. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, above shoulder level. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dumbbells drop. Turn to north side. Next counter asana, Parivritta Trikonasana. Separate legs, more wide your legs, double wide your legs. Both foot turn to left side. Both foot facing left side. One brick inside left foot ankle in stand mode. One brick inside left foot ankle. Dumbbell with the left hand. One dumbbell with left hand. Both hands above shoulder level. Hands above shoulder level. Don't bend your legs. Don't bend your knees. Always tighten kneecap. Mokal cheppulu gattiga biginchali. Now first, slowly turn your upper body to my table side. Don't bend your spine. Only twist your upper body to cupboard side. In yoga hall, try to find the cupboard. Try to more twist your upper body. Now slowly bend your upper body. Take support brick with right hand. Tighten left kneecap. Edama mokal chippa gattiga biginchali. Don't lift right foot heel. Tala paiki ettali. Pine dumbbell chodali. Come on, left hand total pull back side. Tala paiki ettali. Look up. Parivritta Trikonasanam. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, ఎడమోకల్ చిప్ గట్టిగా బిగించాలి. 16, 15, పైన నుంచి ఇంకా పుల్ చేయాలి బ్యాక్ సైడ్. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, pull back side. 3, 2, 1. Standing position. Hip rotation clockwise. Hip rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anti-clock. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next counter asana, Ardha Chakrasanam with ball. Separate legs. Both foot inside mat. Both foot straight. No V shape, no cross. పాదాలు తిన్నగా ఉండాలి, వంకరగా వద్దు. Mid back, lower back, seat, both legs straight. Mid back, lower back, seat, both legs should be straight. So tighten both kneecap. మోకాలు చెప్పులు గట్టిగా బిగించాలి. Don't bend your knees, don't bend your legs. With ball, hands, head, neck, upper back. With ball, both hands, head, neck, upper back, slowly down to back side and stay there. Ardha Chakrasanam. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ball drop. Next, last, cardio. Cross liftings, right hand, left thigh, left hand, right thigh. Lips close. Cardio, right hand, left thigh, left hand, right thigh. March fast or cross liftings, lips close, ready. Don't bend spine, don't bend upper body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lips close. Lips close, mouth close. Lips close, mouth close. Sit down. Lips close, mouth close. Maintain normal breathe. Eyes close. Both hands in chin mudra. Both hands in chin mudra.